Okay, Mr. Kazibi, as we explained all the tricks and trades of this car. Now, two things that you have to understand. This car has no leaded, so that means that when you get gas, of course it's unleaded. Back then, in years ago, they used to put lead in their gas. Now, in the packet, you'll see that it's called lead substitute. That is basically every 20 gallons that you put in, you're going to put in a half a cup or a cup. I usually do it this way. 5 gallons, half a cup. That works beautifully. All right? Don't worry if you put a little bit more or a little bit less. However, the more the better. But it's 5 gallons to half a cup, or 10 gallons to 3/4 of a cup, and full tank, which you really don't want to do a full tank because gas will go stale and the car will have a hard time starting. All right, so the best way to do it is put 5 to 10 gallons of gas in it and 3/4 of a cup of the lead additives. Of course, it's in your gift box, and it's a gray bottle. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and close this hood. However, this car is full steel. That hood is very heavy, so please, when you're opening it and closing it, be careful of hitting the fenders. These are right here. Although they're cased in leather, they will scratch the car. So what you do is you hold from the handle up like this, and then support the weight down. Make sure everything it clears all, and even it clears the toolbox. And then you close it. Once it's closed, pull towards the driver's side and lock. It's a little bit tough. Again, this car is pretty solid, so everything is tough on it. And then these, when you close them, okay, basically keeps the heat inside the compartment. Most of these cars will have them open, so I would suggest always keep them open. That way the engine will breathe better and it will not overheat. Okay, especially if you are stuck in traffic, which I suggest. If you are stuck in traffic, I would suggest you actually pull over and wait for the traffic to die down. Again, traffic today is totally different than 80 years ago. Be in mind that all this chrome gets polished. There is something called rouge. Rouge is basically wax for chrome, and you basically clean it, encase it with wax, not too much, just only enough of a haze, and then wait for it to dry and then polish it, either by hand or a polisher. Suggest that you do by hand until you know and you get comfortable with it. Then you can go ahead and do a polisher with handheld polisher. You can use your drill bit. There is bits that actually sold in parts store or auto stores, and you can actually fit them in your drill gun. The top, I'm pretty sure you're going to put it down. However, most of the awards were won for all the Packards. The top is always up because it gives it that chop look, it gives it that limo look, and it has, of course, that little screen or sun visor for you, because once you put it on, it's pretty sunny, especially with the chrome. It's going to shine right in your face. Okay, now this wood, you can take the pledge to it. These are teak. They're not regular wood. These are teak. The whole top is in teak. So basically, of course it's treated teak, so don't worry about it. But usually, if you want to clean it, you clean it with a soft either pledge or English oil, or what they call Old English. That will clean it up. And that's it. So enjoy, and of course we are here to answer all your questions. Thank you.